How to earn $10 every minute with your phone. In this video, I will show you how to do it step by step. So, we will discuss in detail exactly how to use this 100% free tools to earn $10 every minute. So, if you want to make free PayPal money now by just clicking some buttons, watch this till the end because today I will show you exactly how to do it. Before we start, don't forget to drop a like and make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon. Don't forget to leave a comment below and share it with your friends and family if this video is helpful. Now let's start the video. Step 1. First of all, I want to show you that this method works. As you can see here, I made over $480 from this technique. Now I will certainly reload this page to show you this is actual proof, which is 100% real income. So now let's start. Today, this is the tool we will utilize to earn $10 every minute, and this is the tool that will do all of the work for us. This is 100% free and only a few people know about this. But today I will show you what this tool is, how to use this and how to earn money by utilizing this free tool right here. So this is a graphic designing tool. We can create logos, thumbnails, intros, presentation and much more. You don't need any graphic designing skills or experience. This is a 100% beginner method. As I said before, this tool will certainly create the designs for us. So you don't need any graphic designing skills. We want to click some buttons and we will certainly get paid. It's that easy. In this video, I will show you just how this works and also how easy this is, a free graphic design tool to help you create amazing content in minutes. Search thousands of professional templates and edit them right away. Then we can create a design within 1 minute. So this is Krilo.com. Once again, and this is Krilo.com. Once you go over to Krilo, first you need to create a free account. It's super simple and easy and additionally absolutely free. Click on the sign up button right here and create your free account. Step 2. Now this is step 2. In this step, I will show you how to use this free tool. Don't skip any second because I will give you numerous vital tips on this step, and if you miss them, this approach will certainly not work for you. Alright, after you created your account on Krilo, you need to do is type logos in the search bar. After that, click on the search icon. Once you searched it, you will see right here a great deal of pre-made logos. As you can see, all of these logos are high quality and they are done for us. This tool already created the logos for us and we need to change some text, colors and stuffs like this. It's really easy and also anybody can do this simple technique. Alright, now I want to click on the logo that you like. Let's say I like this logo right here. So what I want to do is click on this logo and after that it will certainly bring us over to this page. This is where we can customize the logo which we choose. First, I will change the background color. To do that, click the background and after that click this colors button. Now I will change the text. Double click on the text and also change it. As you can see, I changed the background text and now I will change a few other stuffs to make this even more beautiful. Step 3. I will show you how to make $10 every minute using these logos we created in this step. Most importantly, I want you to go to Fiverr.com. If you don't want what Fiverr is, this is a freelancing marketplace. Right here, people are selling logos design, intros, thumbnails and numerous services. So we will sell logos right here. As I show you earlier, it's very easy to create a logo by using that free tool. When I go to the logo section, many people are selling logos here, making a lot of money on Fiverr. So for example, if we take a look at this gig, this person sells one logo for $10 and also he sold more than 1,000 logos so far. That implies this person made over $10,000 by selling logos on Fiverr. That's why I'm highly recommending you to start this right now. This is not something that will pay us a couple of dollars each day. This is a real online business and many people are making a full-time income by selling logos. So create a free account on Fiverr and start this right now. And that's it I want to show you in this video. If you get value out of this video, hit the thumbs up button and share it with people. If you like to watch our videos, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell button. Don't forget to comment down below on how much money you make after watching this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.